Today we're diving into the fascinating world of stem cell therapy. Ever wondered what makes your body tick and heal itself? Let's break it down. Imagine your body as an intricate machine constantly repairing and regenerating itself. That's where stem cells come in, your body's natural repair system. Stem cells are like the body's superheroes. They repair injured tissues, replace damaged cells, and even have anti-inflammatory properties. But did you know there are different types of stem cells? From controversial embryonic stem cells to the powerful umbilical cord stem cells, each has its own unique capabilities. Now let's talk about the star of the show, umbilical cord stem cells. These little wonders are safe, potent, and immune privileged, meaning no risk of rejection. They're a game changer in regenerative medicine, but stem cell therapy isn't a new phenomenon. Originating in the 19th century, stem cells have treated conditions like leukemia since the 1950s. Fast forward to today, and over 5,000 studies are exploring their potential for treating everything from chronic pain to Parkinson's disease. Here's the best part. Stem cell therapy is quick and simple. A few minutes for injections, or about an hour for an IV infusion, and you could start seeing anti-inflammatory effects almost immediately. Regenerative effects typically appear in 4-6 weeks. So what's the catch? Well, while the labs are FDA registered, the therapy itself isn't FDA approved since it's a natural treatment. But don't let that deter you. Thousands have experienced amazing results, from improved mobility to better overall health. In summary, stem cell therapy is all about unlocking your body's potential to heal itself. With continuous research and advancements, the future of medicine looks bright. So if you're curious about enhancing your health and longevity, stem cell therapy might just be the key. That's it for today's deep dive into stem cell therapy. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health insights. Stay healthy, stay informed. Catch you in the next video.
For more information by visiting www.medbedspausa.com.